What's up everyone, Coach Dale here with Kaha Fitness, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make your own farmer carry handle for $18. Coming up next.
Back from the dead.
So this is a fairly straightforward DIY project, but first I got to say that this was designed to be used with barbell plates, ideally 45-pound size, full-size barbell plates. It can be used with smaller plates, but it's not going to work quite as well. I think it's best used with the full-size plates, and even better with bumper plates, and you'll see why a little bit later. First, we're going to need an 8-inch piece of PVC pipe that's 1 inch in diameter. So I chose 8 inches. You can choose longer or shorter based off of your hand and how much handle you want, but I chose an 8-inch piece. You're also going to need 2 of these T-joints for the ends. They need to be 1 inch so they fit over the 1 inch diameter pipe, and you're going to need 2 of these, and in addition to that you're going to need some PVC pipe cement. The last thing you're going to need are 2 ratcheting tie downs. First, you're going to need to glue or cement the T-joint onto the end of your 1 inch diameter PVC pipe. So the way I did this is you're just going to take one end and coat just a little bit. Make sure, what I would say is try to pre-fit the T-joints onto the pipe before you cement them on. Kind of get an idea of how deep on they're going to go. And then you're going to put a light coat of cement on the outside of the pipe, and then put also a light coat of cement on the inside of the T-joint where you're going to join them together. And then you're going to kind of push it on, twist it on, and you're going to repeat that for the other side. Now, one thing that's important to make sure of is you want to make sure that the 2 T-joints are aligned with each other. Make sure that they're straight and that they're perfectly aligned with each other. And one way you can do that is just push it down onto a flat surface so that the flat side will help to align the other. Once you have the 2 T-joints glued or cemented onto the pipe, you're going to take your ratcheting tie-down straps and you're going to cut 2 36-inch pieces. This is actually a 40-inch piece. You could do either, but this is 40-inch, 36-inch is going to be fine. And you're going to cut 2 pieces, and you're going to take both ends and you're going to fuse them. Fusing is where you you melt the ends with a lighter, some type of flame, and it'll melt the ends just enough so that the ends don't fray on you. That just helps keep things tidy and prevents the ends from fraying. From there, you're going to do this with both tie-down straps now, so you need 2 pieces. Then you're going to tie a bowline knot in one end of each strap. So one end is going to have no knot, the other end is going to have a bowline knot, and you can do that for each strap. Once you're done with all that, it's time for assembly. Let me show you how I do it. First, you're going to take the end of the strap that doesn't have the knot in it, and you're going to thread it through the wheel on the ratchet. From there, you're going to tighten down the ratchet, wind up that strap a little bit until you are confident that that strap is going to be secure and won't slip. Repeat this for the other strap and ratchet. The rest of the setup is pretty simple. You're going to take the loop you created in one of the ends of your strap and thread that through the plates you're using. From there, you're going to thread that through the T-joint on one of the ends of your handle. Then you're going to take the opposite side, which is the hook, and you're going to hook that through the loop. And it's pretty simple. And then from there, you can tighten down that strap to get it as loose or tight as you want, based off of how many plates you're using. The end result is pretty cool in my opinion. It has 3 separate pieces, so it takes a little bit of setting up. But once you get it set up, It's really awesome and it works great. I tested this handle with 3 plates. It came out to 155 pounds and it worked just fine. It never felt like it was going to break, so I actually think that this is going to last me a long time and give me lots of farmer carries in the future. Okay everyone, that's the video. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something useful. And if you did, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. But remember, don't subscribe to a weak grip. Keep working hard, stay healthy, and take care of yourself so that you can take care of others. Thanks for watching, and Kia Kaha.